downtown, I got that heat, let's go.
Alright guys, and thank you for tuning in to another video here on the channel. We're going to be doing some speed testing. As you can see right there, that was the drone footage right there for that tower that we're at. Alright, let's do some AT&T 5G Plus testing with a 20 ping, 6.3 jitter, and yeah, 106 down. As you know, they're working on the tower right now, so of course, you know, optimization is going to take a little bit of time. By 6.63 on the upload. All right, now let's do where the heck is it? Let's grab Verizon. All right, and let's do a Verizon test right here. Same location. Okay, 7 ping, 1.9 jitter. Oh, and we got some millimeter wave right here action. Which is good because it's a very busy area in this intersection on Tropicana and Jones. 2393 on the down. And 39.6 on the upload. Now let's grab T-Mobile and let's see what T-Mobile is doing in the same area. Okay, this is on ultra capacity, 14 ping, 7 jitter. Okay, 405 down. And 89.8 on the upload. All right, guys, we're gonna go to another location here, and we'll be right back.
Downtown.
Alright guys, and we are back. We're going to speed test here AT&T. As you can see right there, there's the tower site. 19 ping, 8.8 jitter on their low band. Okay, 84.5 on the down. And this is a busy area as all the dealerships are here on West Sahara. So 84.5 by 20.6, 19 ping, 8.8 jitter. All right, let's pull out the next one. Let's see here. Pull out Verizon. Oh, it's on Wi-Fi's on. I don't even know why the Wi-Fi was on. Here, hold on a second. Let's restart that. Okay, there we go. Oh my gosh. Come on, speed test. That's the thing about this ookla app. See, there you go, and it loads. 13 ping, 1.6 jitter. $589 down. And 81.1 on the upload. All right, let's you know what? We're gonna do a little bit off the grid type thing. We're gonna test the new Oneplus 10 Pro on Verizon. As you can see, it shows ultra wideband, 12 ping, 2 jitter. Oh wow, it's doing really good. $674 down. Wow, the Oneplus is doing really good. And then 81.3 on the up. All right, let's grab T-Mobile. Ultra capacity, 19 ping, 3.8 jitter. What the heck, we're right next to the damn tower. How is it this bad? $91.3 on the down. I'm gonna airplane this and try it again. And 8 on the up. Let's airplane this real quick. Okay, let's test that again. $19 ping, 4.5 jitter. Huh, still about the same. $94.9 on the up. I mean on the down. And 1.27 with the 11% packet loss. All right, guys, we're gonna go to another location and we'll be right back. All right, guys, we are back at another area here on Cheyenne and 215 area here on the, what is this, northwest side of the valley. Normally I would have had the drone footage, but you know, before this, but it's really windy out here where I'm at. The winds are gusting at like 40 miles an hour, so yeah, it's gonna be kind of hard to fly a drone. So let's just do the speed test. AT&T on the 5G, 19 ping, 2.7 jitter. Okay, we're looking at 41.6 on the down. Yeah, it's real windy outside, guys, right now. It's freaking crazy. And 10.6 on the upload. All right, let's grab Verizon. That was AT&T. We'll 14 ping, 5.3 jitter on ultra wideband. $315 down. And 32.5 on the up. All right, let's grab T-Mobile. I know I got that phone here somewhere. We'll see here. All right, T-Mobile on ultra capacity. 13 ping, 3.1 jitter. I don't know if you guys can hear the gust, but it's wild right now. 451 down. And 63.2 on the upload. Hey guys, thank you for tuning in for this video. Just wanted to do a little bit of speed testing here for y'all. Stay tuned. I'm gonna be dropping a video and we're gonna be comparing that A53. It's gonna be strictly Verizon testing. The Samsung A53 5G ultra wideband with the Oneplus, with the S22 Ultra, with the iPhone 13 Pro. So stay tuned for that video too, guys. And we're gonna catch you in the next one. Peace. Thank you for tuning in. Remember to hit the like, share, and subscribe button. Make sure to hit the notification bell so you're always notified when we upload content. Have a great one. Peace.